Need a logo? Skip Fiverr. Try this free AI tool instead. I just tested Ideogram, and in seconds, using a simple ChatGPT-style prompt, it generated some stunning logos for your next project. No waiting, no revisions, no cost. In this video, I'll show you 3 different logo styles I tried. And trust me, the green spark logo? Absolute fire. Perfect for brands needing that illustrated vibe. Want to export it with a transparent background? Just plug it into pixelcut.ai, and you're good to go. The links are in the description. Go try it yourself. And if you want a full tutorial, or you've got a specific style in mind, drop it in the comments and hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more creative AI content.